tumakas sa city stress at maranasan ng fresh air at wide open spaces? Trip niyo bang mag-relax, explore at mag-bonding with family and friends? Dito sa Balete, Batangas may isang recreational facility na pwedeng chill mode o all-out adventure. Ako si Sheila Salaysay and let's embrace outdoors dito sa Sports Trip.
Batangas Lakelands is we actually started 2019, but due to unforeseen event of the COVID-19, we have to close it. Then we officially launched, actually not launched, but we opened it to the public 2023 until now. And soon we're going to open more attraction to serve more people. One of the highlights of Batangas Lakelands is that we have this zip line, a two-way zip line, in and out. Then we have also the archery, the biking. We also have this horse ride. Then we have also the airsoft, the gel blaster. We have the go-karting for the kids as well. And the incoming, we're going to have the kids zone, where we're going to feature a lot of activities inside the kids zone. Speaking of the water activities, it's not inside the Batangas Lakelands, but it's on another property, which is we call Amore. We have the yacht there. We also have the heli adventure, the heli tour, what we call that. Every quarter, we're doing the heli tour. The advantage of Batangas Lakelands is that we feature lifestyle here, an active lifestyle. As much as possible, we want every guest to walk around, to roam around, not just sit here. Our relaxing thing here is that you mingle with the nature. You really have to inhale and breathe fresh air from Batangas Lakelands.
Sa dami ng mga activities na pwedeng gawin dito, hindi namin alam kung ano ang uunahin. At syempre, sama-sama kaming mapapagod. Mag-e-enjoy ni na JB, Mike, na Miss Sabel, Chok, Carlene at ang poging-poging si Soju. Para kaming mga bata na nasa malaking playground. Hindi kami mauubusan sa dami ng bikes dito. Ang kinuha ko, yung may basket para pwede si Soju. Habang umiikot sa bike trail, makikita mo na ang ibang activities at attractions na meron dito. Kahit si Soju nag-enjoy na sa pagsustroll. Pati si Carlina Chok, enjoy sa pagpedal. What's good about biking dito? It's a perfect way to clear your mind, stay active, habang nararamdaman ang sariwang hangin. Lalo na kung kasama ang pamilya at tropa. Sunod na nakita namin ang giant chess. Si Carlene at Chok ang nagtuos. This larger-than-life version of chess, dinadala ang gameplay to the next level. At si Carlene nga ang nanalo. Punta na kami sa next activity, sa Baluarte Tower Sky Bridge. Dito ang zipline. At sa Blaze Tower naman ang wall climbing at rappelling. Before you zip, remember the essential safety tips. Gear check, helmet, harness, and carabiners secured. Weight limits matter for a smooth and safe ride. Para kay Carlene, kailangan niyang backup harness dahil medyo mabigat siya. Dahil tatlo kaming may fear of heights,
Bruno, go Mikey! Kaya mo yan!
all-out support kami for each other. 90 feet lang naman ang taas nito. Kailangan follow instructions at makinig ng mabuti sa sasabihin ng trained staff. Ako na naman ang nauna, kunwari walang takot. Sa umpisa, hirap na hirap akong mag-ready. Nakakalula, pero pagdating sa gitna, nakakawala ng kaba seeing the view from a whole new perspective. Iba-ibang emosyon ang meron kami dahil first-timers. Itong si Chok at si Carlene, parang wala lang. Iba talaga kapag bata. Fearless. Si Mike at Miss Sabel, kahit makailang beses na mag-zipline o gumawa ng activity sa mataas na lugar, parang hindi nawawala yung fear of heights namin. Pero si JB, walang kiber. Big smile pa din. At si Carlene at Chok, dumalawa pa. Isa ito sa highlights ng Batangas Lakelands dahil two-way zipline ito. Ngayon, pabalik naman kami. Pagbalik sa kabilang tower, kita ang ganda ng Mount Makiling. Ang sarap pa ng hangin. Sabi nila challenging daw talaga kapag pabalik. Una, dahil sa direksyon ng hangin. At pangalawa, sa bigat nung nagsizipline tulad ni Mike at Miss Sabel. Huminto sila sa gitna, kaya kailangan sunduin sila ng staff para maibalik sa dulo. Smooth ride naman si JB. Lahat kami ay nag-enjoy at na-appreciate ang view. Dito sa Blaze, masusubukan ang strength ng legs, at arms namin. Rappelling ang sunod. Another activity to face the heights like a pro. Pababa sa wall, isa lang ang iniisip ko, don't look down. At nagawa ko naman siya. Siyempre, ganun din sila JB, Mike at si Chok. Hindi pa patalo yan. Pagod yarn? Hindi pa tayo tapos sa wall ha. Wall climbing naman. Sa lahat ng activities dito, hindi nawawala ang safety reminders. May belayer naman at ginaguide ng staff kung saan pwede tumapak paakyat. Ang wall climbing, parang puzzle yan. Gumagamit ng lakas, balance at strategy para makaakyat sa taas. Ngalay at pagod, pero achieve! Nothing beats the thrill of outdoor wall climbing under the open sky. Archery naman ang next. Dito, mayroong pambata at pangmatanda. This is a good way to introduce archery to kids. Pero para sa mga teens at adults, ready na kami to channel our inner archer. Pwede to sa beginner dahil may trained staff. Tuturuan ng basics in archery, proper stance, grip, and then aim. At syempre kailangan ng safety gear. Another first for Chok, Carlene at Mike. Kaya hindi magiging madali ang makabullseye. Challenge si Chok at Carlene dito. Iba din ang patience itong tatlo. Talaga namang masusubukan ng pasensya dahil ang archery kailangan ng concentration at control. Airsoft naman tayo. Ang ginagamit dito ay replica ng mga tunay na baril. Si Coach Andres ang nag-brief at nagbibigay ng reminders. Kahit nasubukan ko na ang firing at tactical shooting before, this feels always the first time. Si Coach Andres ang nagturo ng basics, working on form and control while shooting from a standing position. Don't rush. Slow, smooth movements for better accuracy. Bukod sa mga ginawa naming activities, madami pa sila ditong mai-offer. They also hold concerts, team buildings, company family days, business conferences, birthday parties at kung ano-ano pa. Kaya naman thankful ako sa mga ganitong opportunity dahil nagiging bonding moments namin to with my girls and with Soju.
Dito, ang outdoor activities provide a refreshing break from your daily routines. At ang tanawin, it connects you with nature and relieves your stress. So ano, next week ulit. Sama na dahil dito sa sports trip, ano man o saan man, G na G tayo.